is up? If you're new to my channel, it's called Gears of Snore. And today we are headed to a barbecue spot on the water in Newburgh, New York. I'll put the name of the place on the screen right here. But we're gonna make a little detour and go around the mountain. You may know it as Storm King Highway. I've got Lever, Nico, Ray, and Ken with me. Should be a good ride. I'll bring you back when we're getting on Storm King Highway. And we're here and it's open. Storm King Highway, baby. Look at this ride, huh? Yeah, sometimes they have this closed. That's why there's gates there. Get up a little ways. Have to remember to take it easy because you literally come around this corner and the pull-off is there. The Hudson River is freaking huge up here. A lot of this is all new. A couple of years ago there was a bad storm and it washed away a big part of the road. And it was closed for, God, I want to say over a year. Here we go. I mean, it's wild. They built this right along the side of a mountain. Easy there, speed racer. There's a part of this up here you really don't want to mess around because you fall down a big cliff. And that's not going to be a good time, friends. And if you like good times, if you could give my video a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. Yeah, I'm not turning my head. You'll get the view when we get up top. This is worth the trip. It really, truly is. Let's see if I can see where that part washed away. Right here. Is not to like. I tell you, New Jersey, New York, and PA. Actually, Connecticut, we went to one state park. They had a friggin' beach in there. I think I'd rather go there than down the Jersey Shore. Except for all the geese shit, it was nice. I think up ahead, about a minute or so was a pull-off. Yeah, this is where Hawk's Nest is. Like, you get in it, you go through it, boom, you're done. This is a lot longer. Oh, of course. This must be a calling to them, the old Spandex Spartan. Is there a narrow road we can get out on and impede traffic with our Spandex on? Let's go. Never see me on 10 speed with Spandex on. Right, Big Sheila? Big Sheila's quiet because she's enjoying the view. I believe the pull-off is around the next bend. Yeah, it's up there. Yeah, see what I said about not messing around up here? There's some people up here. Let's see if we can squeeze in.
Yeah, you know what? This works just as well. And then I put.
And we're leaving Storm King Highway. Would you look at this view, huh? Really is something else. On our way to the Newburgh waterfront to get some barbecue. Tell ya, the past couple of weekends they're like, oh, it's gonna rain, and they've been wrong. And I get to go on these awesome rides with these guys, and it's always a good time. And because my Pardo keeps disconnecting and reconnecting with my phone, it's starting to autoplay music, and it's driving me nuts.
These nuts. Got him!
Yeah, you are going to want to watch your speed coming out of here, because they will sit right here. This is Cornwall on the Hudson. Not to be confused with Cornhole on the Hudson. Waka waka. So what'd you guys think of that view, huh? It's worth the trip, I'm telling you. And this place we're going to, it's 15 minutes from here, I think he said. It's supposed to be really good. It's it, baby girl. Big Sheila. You don't see too many of those Fisker SUVs on the road, being they went bankrupt. It was a nice looking car too bad. That's friggin' badass. Yeah, so like I said, man, summer's been friggin' great rides. I'm riding with my friends a lot. They're always down to ride, which is nice. Unfortunately, we're missing the Youngster. He has to work Sundays, and he's got a bunch of stuff going on Saturdays. We miss you, buddy. Come home to Florida, baby.
Pablo, honey?
Yeah?
Please, honey, come down to Florida.
We have to be close. I feel a breeze. Yeah. Won't you do it? Man, this is friggin' nice. I wonder if this is the place right here. I've never been down here by the water in Newburgh. No, this is a pizza place. good. Not paying attention. Oh, this feels like the damn part of 9W. What's up, baby? Up, just leaving Billy Joe's barbecue up here on the water in Newburgh, New York, and what a cool place. Our waiter was cool as hell, came over a bunch of times. Like, food was good, prices were fair. This is definitely worth the trip, and the view out back, there's boats going up the Hudson River, jet skis, there's a kid out there fishing. What a friggin' good time it was, man. If you're in the Newburgh area, make sure you go check out Billy Joe's on the water in Newburgh, New York. And if you made it this far, I thank you for watching. I drop my videos every Friday at 3 p.m. ish, and again, thank you all for checking out my videos. I hope to see you on the next